Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here in the workshop. So, oftentimes people say, I want to get started in hand tool woodworking. Which would be my first plane to buy? Well, the common approach is your number 4. You can pretty much do everything you want with a number 4 for small projects. But what if you come up on a project where you need a jointer and you don't have the money for a jointer? Well, can you make the number 4 into a jointer? The answer is no. You can't make it into a jointer. However, if you go back in the way back time machine and you look at one of my videos where it was entitled, No Jointer, No Problem. We built this, a block of wood. It was built as a jointer where you pop the hood on your number 4, you take your blade set out. Can you see this? Yeah, you can see this. You put the blade set in, you put the hood in, you close it down, and because I didn't have a round head screw, I used a regular woodworking screw. So I have to tighten it with a screwdriver. And there you go. You have a jointer. Go back in the way back time machine. The only 2 things that would make this better would be a strike knob out here for adjusting the plane and some sort of handle. But if all I had to do was joint a couple of boards, that's how you do it. Now, I will caution you, being a wood-bodied plane, you will have to, over time, re-flatten the sole. But I didn't make this as a permanent tool, but I did make it with a fairly tight mouth, so I get a good shaving. I did put a wear bevel on the inside ramp. That's one of the reasons why the shavings are coming straight up. See that? Any questions? So no jointer? No problem, make one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.